I'm Karen with Traders Hill Farm, and I'm here today to do an unboxing of this week's Fresh Veggie Boxx. So, this week in the Fresh Veggie Boxx, we have our delicious baby pak choy, our beautiful red romaine, delicious mini cucumbers, celery, parsley, and our butterhead lettuce. What's new is we have some summer squash and some zucchini. We have these delicious purple sweet potatoes. If you've never had them, they are amazing. They're even better than a regular sweet potato, I think. Corn on the cob. Again, we have some broccoli. We have Florida grown grapefruit and our delicious cocktail tomatoes.